This year, Policy Dialogue is focusing on the role of religious leaders and community in contributing to the peace building. It moves from an assumption. We have recognized that at the moment there is a critical mass of new initiatives launched by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, international organizations that are suggesting that interreligious dialogue and collaboration can be a very important tool in sustaining peace and combating intolerance and discriminations. There is these intuitions, these political intuitions. What we are trying to do today by gathering experts, but policymakers, diplomats, is actually to try to work out a language that allows us to really think of this interreligious engagement, collaboration, cooperation, and relationship between religious actors and governments in a language that is appropriate for the foreign policy making fields. I think this is very important to translate this very powerful intuition that religions in dialogue can be good for peace into a concrete and effective and useful policy tool.